The Meghalaya High Court has appointed Senior Advocate Subhashish Chakrabarti as a special officer to oversee the eviction of hawkers from Police Bazar following allegations of forceful removals without due process or alternative vending sites. The Hawkers Association, through their counsel, claimed the authorities were violating a June 12 court order. The state, however, denied the charges, stating that vendors were unwilling to shift to the designated area. The court has directed that licensed hawkers be allowed to vend only during specific hours between 12:30 to 2 p.m. and 7:30 to 9 p.m. and warned of eviction for non-compliance. Unlicensed vendors are barred from vending, while others can apply for licenses. A report is to be submitted by the 5th of August 2025.